Is that from the launch, I wonder? It was big and red. Oh, I wish we could have got it when it was big and red. But it looked like something. It got a trail mark, so it got to be something that's launched.
Right?
Here. It's going out.
It's still there, though. It's still there.
Yep, yep.
There it goes.
Oh,
Another burst.
Oh. Got another burst.
Another burst. It's going to get bright.
What is happening?
What is that?
It's like, it look like it's coming back into the atmosphere now.
Right?
What the
Yo, look how blue that is.
What is happening?
It's like a worm. Look at the trail. They're all looking too.
Whoa, you see something moving within it? Oh,
Yeah,
don't lose it. Don't lose it.
There's something in there. Like behind it. Look at that shit.
Caramba.
Yo, it's coming with it. The fuck is that?
Dude. Look, it's like a big circle behind. Is that smoke or what is happening?
It's like a ring or something.
Yeah. Hold on, I gotta move.
I do too. Let's go behind the trees.
It's a better view over here, babe. Come on, phone, don't be weak. What the heck? It's like letting out something. Babe, come behind me. I'm over here. What the heck? What is... Bro, it's coming back this way, though. That's not cool.
It's coming this way?
It's coming back down, whatever that is. Remember, it was going straight up. Now it's coming back down.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's like a light right there that's pulsating.
Yeah, I see that. Behind it?
Yeah.
Oh, it dropped something.
Look, what you see that?
Yeah, it dropped something.
It's like letting out a mist or something. Look, something. Yeah, it's letting out mist or something. What the hell? It did it again. It's like a light.
It's so dark,
Yeah, it's that the one at the very top is ejecting something like every few seconds. And that other one's like moving slow, but it's coming back this way.
Look at the size of that thing, dude.
I know there was supposed to be a launch tonight, right?